Okay, guys, this is how far I got. I actually ran out of sequence, so I'm gonna have to actually wait and finish up once I get some more sequence. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm actually gonna leave the mesh sides pretty much like that. I don't want to mess with it because it might makes the bra don't have the ability to stretch. And remember, guys, don't do the back at all because you don't want to make it where it's too small. But see why I say the bra cuff, when you get ready to start gluing, make sure you have something to cushion it so that you don't lose your cup size, because if you just do it without anything, you can definitely wind up losing your cup size and wind up can't fit it. So definitely make it to the ability that it stretch to the full capacity, and don't sew anything or put anything where the elastic has to stretch. Alrighty, guys, bye bye.